All right, let's talk about it. It's coming our way, that big March storm we've been talking about. But if you take a look outside now, live at 4 o'clock in Denver, it is dry and it is rather warm in the metro area still.
And everybody's out and about thinking, well, I'll do it right now. We expect things to change dramatically in the overnight hours. That's already prompting a lot of closures. We know DPS, Cherry Creek schools closed tomorrow and many more as well. Higher elevations will be the first ones to see the snow tonight. We're taking a look at the Continental Divide in northern Colorado near Rocky Mountain National Park. You can tell, yeah, it's a little icky out there.
Also just got word that I-70 eastbound at Vail Pass is closed. So let's take a look at conditions up there. And yeah, that's a wintry look. There is some traffic going by, presuming that to be westbound. So the eastbound side is closed right now. Of course, we're going to be keeping you posted on the roads around the state for the next hour and a half and throughout the evening on into tomorrow, where more and more snow is coming our way. And it's not just snow. We start with rain and maybe thunder before the snow arrives. Our viewer Lindsay sent us this view of some of the graupel on Highway 7 and Vista Parkway in Erie. And another viewer in Cheyenne spotted similar conditions there. Could be more rumbles of thunder coming our way tonight. So there is a lot to do for our meteorologists. We start with our chief meteorologist, Kathy Sabin, with where we are and where we're headed.
You know what? It has a convective feel to it, doesn't it? Meaning springtime.
It does.
Right?
That's what
and it was like doing this little snow, sleety kind of, and then stopped.
Yep.
But it's really convective.
If there's thunder, Tom, there's lightning and graupel. Very
like a convective oven.
I gotta Google that.
It's a little bit unstable.
That we get.
I know.
We're unstable.
Right. I wasn't going to say that, but thank you, Kim, for saying that. I kind of was like waiting for you to say that. We are looking at the sky, which again is a bit convective, meaning we're seeing some of these clouds develop a bit vertically, and there's some thunder, some lightning, some graupel, and some rain. We haven't seen the snow yet, but that will be changing, and the snow in the high country will be picking up as well. There are winter weather and travel advisories out for I-70, and Tom was remarking about how mild it is. Yes, 48 in Denver, 65 in Lamar, 59 in Pueblo. That's because the storm isn't here yet. The initial wave has come through, prompting the winds to come in out of the east and northeast, which is the beginning of some upslope, but that first wave was on the weak side, which gives us confidence that now this main core system may actually be even stronger than we originally thought. We're tracking some scattered rain showers. See the lightning? Look at the thunder snow on I-70. Yes, that convective spring-like feel to this storm system. Eventually, the rain is going to fill into Denver and turn heavy, mixing over and flipping to snow. Right now, we're trying to figure out, is that going to be 7:30, 8:30 tonight, or a little bit later? That is going to be a big part and play a big role in some of these forecast totals you're looking at as Denver goes under a winter storm warning tonight for the potential of 10 to 20 inches. Areas like Castle Rock up to 24, areas of the foothills 2 to 4 feet. Folks will be snowbound and unable to travel and get in and out of those foothills with the snow that we're predicting. Notice the rain flips to snow by 10:30 tonight and turns heavy. Folks, we could be looking at snowfall rates of 2 to 3 inches an hour in the foothills and 1 to 2 inches an hour for a time right here in the metro area. So a lot to track, a lot to time, and we're going to talk much more in detail about these accumulation amounts. You can pick your town, and we're going to go in depth with some of this coming up in weather in just a bit.
Okay, thanks, Kathy. DIA is ready for the storm. Crews are ready to clear runways and de-ice planes. As of right now, not much is going on because the snow hasn't really arrived just yet. When things change overnight, the delays and the cancellations are expected to follow. Plus, you know, you do have to get to the airport, so make sure you plan accordingly. Schools and businesses are also making calls about closures. We mentioned Denver and Cherry Creek. Dougco and Adams 27 are joining them as well. We have the closures running on the bottom of the screen, a full list on 9news.com.